Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing this full face glam right over here. I am super excited. You guys, if you don't know, I absolutely love Nikki Tutorial. I feel like she's seriously Picasso of makeup world. Okay, I seriously was not thinking of doing a Halloweenish glam. It was really gonna be a full face, full-on glam using Nikki Tutorial palette, you guys. As soon as I saw her video that she's coming out with something like this, I was like, boom, done, got it. I actually even got that little, you know, pop-it situation too. However, I don't like this as much because it does have a little bit of rough edges, where the other ones are more smoother on the corner, and my gems are about to fall out. But absolutely love the palette, you guys. I actually am thinking to do another look, maybe a couple of them. Let me know in the comment down below, what do you guys think, if you want to see a couple more tutorial on this palette. And I think she's coming back soon with some more of these palettes, so it's kind of out of stock right now. This is what the palette looks like, so if you guys are interested in this full face glam, then keep on watching. The foundation I'm taking today is the NARS Cosmetics. This is the Sheer Glow Foundation in shade Syracuse, medium dark 1. For the extra glow, I'll be taking Crown Brushes Golden Glow Liquid Illuminator. And today, for a change, I'm going to go ahead and take my foundation with a brush. And this one right here is BH Cosmetics. I always love me a good BH Cosmetics foundation brush, you guys. And I'm going to go ahead and dab that. Once the foundation is well blended, I'm going to reach for my concealer, you guys. And today the concealer I'll be taking is e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. The shade I have here is Medium Neutral. And you guys, if you want to know, I actually did use e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Gel as well for my brows. And I've been really loving using that on a daily basis, especially for the filming. I just love it. Not only is it affordable, but it really gets the job done and it makes them look so good. Are you guys excited about the holidays? You guys, I am so much in love. There's a lot of, you know, holiday collection coming out already, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it is so freaking happening already. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set that real quick using Catrice. This is their Baking and Setting HD Loosing Powder. For the rest of the face, I'm gonna go ahead and take Tarte BB powder, and I'm gonna take that onto a big fluffy brush and very lightly dab. For the bronzer, I'll be taking Makeup Forever. This is the Pro Bronze Fusion. I'm gonna go and take that onto my favorite bronzer brush. I'm gonna bronze away. Contour stick that I totally skipped, not gonna lie. For the contour, I'll be taking Anastasia Contour Kit. I feel like I haven't reached for it in a while, even though I use it on a daily basis. I have another one sitting right over there for everyday makeup glam, and just mixing the colors to contour. I really want to just jump to the eyes today. That's why I also am kind of like rushing, if you will, because I'm super excited about it. For the blush, I'm going to go ahead and take, this is the Blink Limited Edition Evening Glamour Palette, and this is what that looks like. Absolutely stunning, you guys. As much as I would love to use these eyeshadows, I actually am not. I'm going to go ahead and just go for the blush today. I will come back to the eyeshadow palette to create a look for you guys. Eyes, I'll be using Luna Magic. This is the Luna Magic brushes, you guys. They were part of my Boxy Charm, as well as the blush palette by Blink. So these are the brushes, you guys. Absolutely love the colors. They're so much fun to even look at, and I've been meaning to buy a brush like this mainly for the highlight reasons, and I can't wait to try this. So palette I'll be using is the Nikki Tutorial. Looks like that, you guys. I'm super excited. By the way, the first day I watched this video, when she first made it live, I was all about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig right in. This is what that looks like, you guys. It has a dark side as well as a vampy side and a beautiful side. So for the first thing I want to do is actually prep my eyes. So for that, I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little bit of concealer, like. Guys, I am super excited about this color right over here. I'm gonna go dig right into it, and I'm gonna bring you guys a little closer. I'm gonna go ahead and pack that right on top of it. Oh yes. I've been watching Nikki's makeup so much, you guys. I love her techniques. And next shade I'll be taking is this one right over here. So pretty. Pack that right there. Oh, whoa, look at that color combination. I'm gonna take this shade right over here, just towards the outer corner. and see what happens, because apparently Plot Twist, which is the lighter blue color, it wasn't showing as much as I wanted it to show. So I'm going to kind of leave it in the center for that hollow look effect, if that makes sense. I'm going to go ahead and do cut crease. Next shade that I want to take is this one right over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack that right on top of this concealer. By the way, this shade is called Mr. Tutorials, and this will really give us that peacock vibes that I'm after. Not that I was going for it at the beginning, but we shall see. I haven't even dampened my brush or anything. I'm gonna see if I can use my Makeup Forever Flash palette white in there. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take some more of that concealer. Just gonna go ahead and actually, I don't know how to do this. Okay, let's just go ahead. We'll take some of that concealer onto the concealer brush and try cleaning it a little bit, not too much, so we have a sharp edge at the end. Oh, that looks so sharp. I love it. Okay, once blended, we're gonna move on to the lower lash line. And for that, you guys, I'm gonna go and bring a little bit of the blue towards the lower lash line, just onto the outer corner, just to have a little bit of the same color situation happening. And for that, I'm gonna go ahead and take that denser orange brush that came into my BoxyCharm. I'm gonna go ahead and take that, and I'm gonna really like tap it off. And I want to pack that just towards the outer corner, just a tad bit. Oh yes, edges. So slowly start diffusing it. It's gonna be a bold move, but I really wanted to incorporate Mikai. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll do a little bit of Mikai, then I'll do the Blend and Snap, which is the brighter pink color. So Mikai is the bright red color, and then the pink one. Mikai is actually the color after her brother. Let's go right into it. So packing red, whoa, right there. We'll then be taking this pencil brush, and I'm going to go and take that Blend and Snap, which is that bright pink color, you guys. Pink is my favorite color, so we're going to go right into it. Oh yes, that completed it. Absolutely love it. You know, my favorite gel liner is Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm going to go ahead and grab that real quick. Waterline, I am taking LA. This is their Shockwave Neon Liner. The shade I have here is Fresh. Just gonna run that mainly towards the outer corner. Already happy to say most of the look is done. I'm gonna go ahead and take this very last shade called Ivy. I'm gonna pop that towards my inner corner. It happens to be one of her favorite shade. I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade called All In. Beautiful gold, you guys. It's calling my name. I'm gonna clean my brush and I'm gonna see what that does. I do like the white, and I feel like it's kind of going on top of that white liner that we did and really making it pop. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this just towards the, like, this one's gonna be really like for highlight, like that. Oh yes, I feel like applying a little bit right here. Oh yes, please, please do. I'm gonna do mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. For the lips, taking Purity. This is by Need Sticks. And I'm going to go ahead and top that off with Essence Lip Gloss. The shade I have here is Bright On number 6. For the highlight, I'm going to go with the Benefit Cosmetics Cheek Star palette, taking the shade called Cookie Highlight. And to set this face, I'm going to go ahead and take the Catrice Illuminate and Prime. Hey you guys, welcome back. So I am done with everything, you guys. I seriously am loving this look. Love the way this palette, oh my gosh, I think the creativity level was like up there, to be honest with you. Who am I kidding? But I absolutely love it, you guys. I've done a peacock look years ago, and I think that was so dramatic look, yet comes nowhere close to this one. And I am so happy the way it has turned out. Absolutely love it. I seriously wasn't going for a Halloween look, but I'm not sure what happened to me when I saw the first green and then the purple along with that. Oh my god, I guess this is what you call magic. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are interested in watching swatches, then stay tuned, but definitely subscribe to my channel before you head on out, and give this video a thumbs up to let me know how you like it. What do you think of this look? And other than that, I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Alright you guys, I'm back with my hands. I'm gonna go ahead and start swatching for you guys. This one right here is Redemption. Beautiful orange color. Blend and Snap. This is that bright pink color that I got going on towards my inner corner of lower lash line. Then I have this one right here called Ivy. Absolutely stunning color. Here's Slasher, deep purple color. Whoa. A 5 AM, which is a beautiful neutral smoky color. Roxy Charm. Oh, absolutely stunning. This is called VLA, which is your beautiful yellow matte shade. Then you have Mikai, I think she said. Mikai, and this one is Mila. Beautiful transition color, you guys. Absolutely love it. I love these kind of shades. Called Underground. This is another beautiful stunning color that I would definitely want to use in future looks. And this one right here is called Plot Twist, that I applied it towards the center of my crease, and it kind of like not showed up, not popped, because the green was like so much more bold. Basic Tricked. All in. Whoa. This is called Ew, and this one right here is called Pride. Zoomer. Mama Tutorials. I'm running out of space, you guys. Amsterdam. We've got Mr. Tutorial. For those who are new to my channel, definitely want to let you know that I do the swatches on the bare hand, bare skin. There's no product on whatsoever, so these shadows have no base to stick onto, so whatever you see is how it is. And they're definitely gonna be awesome wearing with a base of some sort. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.